Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display product name or product title in Elementor form on page load in Elementor WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to display product name dynamically on this field product name. Now you see name pure forest. So we are going to add custom code on page load this name auto load in this field. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it, and then you see add your custom code, so again click on it, and then you see select the code type. Now select JavaScript, so click on it. Now create custom snippet section open, and then you can add title. Then you see code preview. Now paste code, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now you see in custom code we are using class dot product underscore title. So this class represent product title on page. Now go to product page. Now you see title appear forest. Right click on it and then click on inspect. Now inspect element open, and then you see h1 class. Now you see class product underscore title. So this class we are using in custom code. Now back to code. Now you see dot product underscore title class we are using. So you can add your class, and then you see set the value of the form field. Now you see field underscore 1740 E41. So you can replace with your actual field ID. Now go to form. So this is our form field. Now you see product name, and then go to advanced, so click on it, and then you see ID field underscore 1740 E41. So we are using this field ID in custom code, so you can use your field ID in custom code. Now back to code. Now you see we are using here. So this is our product title class, and this is our field ID, and then scroll down, you see insert method auto insert location site wide header. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to form page and refresh the page. On auto load we are going to display product name. Now you see product name appear auto on this field. So when you submit the form, so this product name also appear on your email. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.